today's digital era, making money online has become more accessible than ever, thanks to a multitude of innovative apps designed to help individuals generate income from their smartphones or computers. Whether you're looking to supplement your earnings, start a side hustle, or even create a full-time income stream, there are numerous platforms that cater to different skills and interests. From completing surveys and freelancing to renting out property and selling services, these apps offer diverse opportunities to turn your time and talents into cash. Exploring the best apps for earning money online can help you find the right fit for your financial goals and lifestyle, making it easier to start generating income right from the comfort of your home. Number 5. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a well-established online rewards program that allows users to earn money by participating in various online activities. Founded in 2008, Swagbucks offers a diverse range of ways to earn points known as SB, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash through PayPal. To start earning with Swagbucks, you first need to create an account and complete your profile. Once you're set up, you can engage in several activities to accumulate SB. One popular method is taking surveys. Swagbucks partners with market research companies to provide a variety of surveys on different topics. The surveys typically range in length and complexity, with longer surveys offering more SB. Another way to earn is through shopping. Swagbucks has partnerships with numerous online retailers, and you can earn SB by shopping through their links. The amount of SB you earn depends on the retailer and the total amount of your purchase. Swagbucks also offers opportunities to earn by watching videos. The platform provides a selection of video content, from news clips to entertainment, and you earn SB for watching these videos in their entirety. Additionally, Swagbucks allows users to earn by using their search engine. By conducting web searches through Swagbucks, you can occasionally receive SB as a reward. SB can be redeemed for various rewards, including gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Starbucks. Alternatively, you can convert your SB into PayPal cash, providing a flexible option for receiving your earnings. Number 4. Upwork. Upwork is a prominent online freelancing platform that connects independent professionals with clients seeking various services. Founded in 2015 from the merger of Elance and Odesk, Upwork offers a global marketplace for freelancers to find work and for clients to hire skilled professionals from around the world. To get started on Upwork, you first need to create a comprehensive profile. This profile serves as your digital resume, highlighting your skills, experience, and previous work. The well-crafted profile includes a professional photo, a detailed summary of your expertise, and examples of your past work to attract potential clients. Once your profile is complete, you can begin searching for job opportunities. Upwork features a wide array of job postings across various categories such as writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing. Clients post these jobs with specific requirements, budgets, and deadlines, allowing you to find projects that align with your skills and interests. When you identify a job that suits you, you can submit a proposal to the client. This proposal should be tailored to the job, demonstrating how your skills and experience make you a good fit for the project. A compelling proposal often includes a clear plan for how you will approach the task, your proposed rate, and any questions you may have for the client. After submitting your proposal, you may be invited to discuss the project further with the client. If hired, you will complete the work as outlined in your agreement. Upwork facilitates the payment process, which is typically handled through the platform. Payments are made based on milestones or project completion, and you can withdraw your earnings to your bank account or PayPal. Number 3. Airbnb. Airbnb is a popular online marketplace that allows individuals to rent out their properties or spare rooms to travelers. Founded in 2008, Airbnb has transformed the way people find and book accommodations by offering a diverse range of lodging options, from entire homes to unique stays like tree houses and castles. To start using Airbnb, you first need to create a listing for your property. This involves providing detailed information about the space, including its size, features, and amenities. High-quality photos and a compelling description are essential to attract potential guests. You also set your availability and pricing, giving you control over when and how much you charge for your space. Once your listing is live, travelers searching for accommodations can view your property and book it if it meets their needs. Airbnb provides a platform for communication between hosts and guests, allowing you to coordinate details such as check-in times and special requests. Airbnb's booking system also handles payments, ensuring that transactions are secure and processed smoothly. Airbnb offers various features to enhance the hosting experience, including tools for managing reservations, reviewing guest profiles, and receiving payments. Payments are typically made through Airbnb, which then transfers the funds to your bank account after the guest checks out. This process helps ensure that both hosts and guests are protected throughout the transaction. Hosting on Airbnb can be a lucrative way to earn extra income, particularly if you have a desirable location or unique property. Hosts can set their own rates and offer additional services, such as guided tours or local recommendations, to enhance the guest experience. The amount you earn depends on factors like your location, the type of space you're renting, and how well you market your listing. Number 2. Fiverr. Fiverr is a widely recognized online marketplace for freelance services where professionals can offer their skills and expertise to clients around the globe. Launched in 2010, Fiverr allows users to create gigs or service listings starting at $5, though many services can be priced higher based on complexity and added features. To begin using Fiverr, you need to create a profile that highlights your skills, experience, and the services you offer. Each gig you create includes a description of the service, pricing details, and any optional add-ons or extras that clients might choose. These gigs can range from writing and graphic design to digital marketing and programming, catering to a broad spectrum of freelance work. Once your gig is live, clients browsing Fiverr can find it through search or category filters. When a client decides to purchase your gig, they place an order and you'll be notified. The platform facilitates communication between you and the client to discuss details, deliverables, and any revisions that might be needed. After completing the work and delivering it through Fiverr, the client reviews it and confirms that it meets their expectations. Fiverr handles the payment process, taking the commission from each transaction. The standard commission is 20%, which is deducted from the total amount you earn from each gig. Once the client accepts the completed work, the payment is processed through Fiverr, and you can withdraw your earnings to your bank account or PayPal. Number 1. Rover. Rover is a popular platform that connects pet owners with pet sitters and dog walkers, catering to the needs of both pets and their owners. Established in 2011, Rover allows pet lovers to earn money by providing services such as dog walking, pet sitting, and boarding, while offering pet owners a convenient way to find reliable care for their animals. To start using Rover as a pet sitter or dog walker, you first need to create a detailed profile. This profile should include information about your experience with pets, the services you offer, and your rates. You can also upload photos of yourself and any pets you may have to build trust with potential clients. Once your profile is live, it becomes visible to pet owners in your area who are looking for services. Pet owners can browse through available profiles and choose a sitter or walker based on their preferences, such as availability, experience, and client reviews. When a pet owner books your services, Rover provides a platform for you to communicate with them to discuss the specifics of the care required, including any special instructions or preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.